What if I told you just 1 hour every day, 1 hour with no phone, no TV, no scrolling, no notifications, could make you happier, smarter, and mentally stronger? Sounds too simple, right? But listen, this 1 hour is what most successful people secretly protect. Today I'm going to show you why it works, how it changes your brain, and exactly how you can start it today. There was a study at the University of Virginia. They put people alone in a room with just their thoughts for 6 minutes. Most participants said they felt uncomfortable. Some even chose to give themselves electric shocks rather than sit quietly. That's how addicted we have become to screens. We don't just use them, we depend on them. In Dopamine Nation, Dr. Anna Lemke explains, every time we scroll, we get tiny hits of dopamine, the pleasure chemical. Too much dopamine makes normal life feel boring. That's why we constantly touch our phone. Not because we need it, but because our brain is itching for the next hit. Screen-free hour is like a reset button. It brings our dopamine levels back to normal. When this happens, we focus better. We enjoy real life more. We become calmer inside. James Clear says, you don't rise to the level of your goals, you fall to the level of your systems. So instead of saying, I will stop using my phone, we create a system. One fixed hour every day, no screens. This becomes a ritual, just like brushing your teeth. This is the fun part. Your screen-free hour is not about sitting quietly like a monk. You can walk, write your thoughts, read a book, do art, talk to family, sit outside, practice music, play with pets, just breathe and think. Do anything except screens. This hour brings your mind back to life. The book Ikigai teaches something beautiful. Small daily practices shape our happiness. Not big goals, not achievements, but tiny rituals. Your screen-free hour is a daily happiness ritual. It reminds you who you are when the world is not constantly pulling your attention. Start simple. Step 1. Pick the same time daily, morning, evening, or before bed, your choice. Step 2. Put your phone in another room, not in your pocket, not on the table, another room. Step 3. Decide your activity before the hour starts. Example, 5 minutes deep breathing, 25 minutes reading, 30 minutes writing or drawing. Step 4. Tell one family member. Accountability keeps you consistent. Screens are not the enemy, but when they control our attention, they control our life. This 1 hour gives your life back to you. Not the phone, not the internet, not the notifications. You start today. Tomorrow you will feel the difference. Your mind will thank you.